This is a quick lesson on how to find information for your health project using websites. So what you'll need to do is you'll start out on cvschools.org, and you'll first need to go to the library website by going to EagleView, and then Academics, and then Library Media Center. Once you're here, you're going to go to Reliable Websites for Research, and then from here you'll need to go to Health. Then you'll get the Symbaloo of websites here. You're going to be using these pink ones up in the left-hand corner. And the reason that we're using the Symbaloo, the pre-selected websites, is because we don't have a lot of time for this project. And we've chosen some websites for you that are very reliable and credible. So instead of going out on Google and taking the time to evaluate the websites yourself, and also possibly getting blocked from the school system Googling drugs, we have these for you. So I'm not going to click on every single one of these. It depends what drug you have, which one is the most useful. So, if you don't find something on the first one you click on, try another one. A couple of them that I really like, this one from Foundation for a Drug-Free World. If you go on Get the Facts, you'll see a list of drugs here. You can click on your drug, and there's some information here. You need to keep clicking on next to go to the next page for more information about it. And there's also documentaries that you can watch too. And also you'll see that if I just X out, it'll take me right back to the Symbaloo. And another one I really like is this National Institute on Drug Abuse. This is actually published through the United States government. And again, they have a list of drugs you can click on too. And you can also, and you can do this on most of the other sites that I have too, just put in your drug here and do a search for it and see what comes up there too within the website.